Hello everyone, in this video I will show you best way to buy Universal Studio Hollywood ticket. So to purchase ticket from Universal Studio Hollywood is the most effective and cost effective way, and I will show you the steps which are going to of course make sure that you watch it. The first thing is to add buy from the authorized ticket seller. So as you can see here, we are into this official website of Universal Studio, and if you want to buy a ticket, make sure you just buy from this website, from the official website. Just select whichever option you would like to go, and for example you can see annual season passes, so you can save up to $10 on passes online by front gate, right? And you can just go and explore more and more, and of course you will get more discounts, right? So for example, buy a day get a day free. For 2 day general admission ticket cost around $102, right? So you can just go and just check out the dates on which date it is the most cost effective, right? For example, you can see Saturday it's the highest, and as well as on the Sunday. So you can just go on the working days, for example Wednesday, Tuesday, and you can able to buy, right? And once you select the date here, just go and click on continue. You will able to buy it up. You can buy the make sure you select the tickets and everything. The second thing is that AAA membership discount. If you are a AAA member, you can access discount on a 1 day general admission and VIP tickets, right? This can be purchased online or at local AAA office. So once you just go there, you can just get the AAA office vacation packages. The third thing is that consider booking a vacation packages through Universal Studio that combines hotel stay with a ticket purchase. These packages often include perks like early park admission and transportation. And there's a several other things, for example, special promotion, T-Mobile Tuesday, right, Costco membership. So these are the additional benefits you can always get Universal Studio Hollywood tickets right on discount. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.